Hi, it's Bronwyn from Rap, and today I'm working on an awesome track called Remember. It's from the Pop Worldwide Volume 3 sample pack by Seven Sounds, and you can get it from rloops.com. What I want to show you today is a few tricks when you're working with a delay effect. Now, the whole reason that you use a delay is to add some depth and space into your mix while still keeping intelligibility and a bit of presence. A delay actually sounds a lot more musical when it's not a flawless repetition of the input, whether it's something as simple as you contrasting the timbre, or even in extreme cases, you can add in some saturation or distortion. Okay, so first up, I've added a tape delay to an auxiliary channel, and I've sent my lead vocals to the channel. Now, tape delay is great as it already has a lot of character and color, and with all the extra controls, you can really tweak the saturation and warmth of the delay. And you can also add in some subtle pitch modulations by using the flutter and the LFO controls. Now, flutter is an emulation of the small pitch instabilities that occurred on tape, especially when the mechanism wasn't really all that clean. And you can add that in varying amounts. The LFO control modulates the delay time, and it effectively creates a shimmering effect that we call chorus. Right, let's have a listen to this delay. I've soloed my vocal channel. So let's just have a listen to the delay on its own, and I'm going to really exaggerate that send so you can get a good idea of what the delay sounds like. Here we go.
Take your stuff, but you won't see me again, 'cause I can walk through fire and water.
Yeah, pretty cool. But in addition to this, I want to show you what happens when you actually add a tremolo effect after the delay unit to give that delay a little bit of movement. So I've added in the tremolo. You can see that my delay time here was set to quarter notes. So on my tremolo, I've set the rate to half. That's important. I'm going to just boost that depth and the smoothing right the way up to 100% for now. And let's have a listen to what it sounds like. Here's without the tremolo.
Take your stuff, but you won't see me again,
With tremolo.
'Cause I can walk through fire and water and don't feel any pain.
How amazing is that starting to sound? It's really just giving that extra character to that delay. Now, watch what happens when we change the depth and the smoothing. Let's listen again.
Take your stuff, but you won't see me again, 'cause I can walk through fire and water and don't feel any pain. But you use one on life is stable, and that is not for me.
Right, that sounds really cool. But let's listen to the vocals in context with the rest of the mix so that we can actually adjust the send going through to that delay so that it suits the whole track. So here we go.
Take your stuff, but you won't see me again, 'cause I can walk through fire and water and don't feel any pain. But you use one on life is stable, and that is not for me. You should but remember when we're living in peace together. You should remember when we're living in peace together, together.
That's really cool, right? Okay, let's move on to the stereo delay now. So I'm just going to disengage those. Right, let's have a look at the settings. On the left delay, I've set the input to off, but on the right, I've set the input to quarter notes, and I'm going to use the cross-feed controls to create that sense of movement that I need to create the nice bounce. So again, I'm going to exaggerate the send of the vocals. I'm going to solo those vocals, and let's have a listen to what it sounds like.
Take your stuff, but you won't see me again, 'cause I can walk through fire and water and don't.
Fantastic. But now simply adjusting the send again it will sweeten that delay and I can add it in, but I'm not done yet. I want to add a little bit of flavor to these delays. So I've introduced an equalizer with a sort of telephone style type filter. And then after that, I've added some distortion to those delays. So let's have a listen to the effect now.
Take your style, but you won't see me again. 'Cause I can walk through fire and water.
Can you hear that texture and that saturation really crunching it up and making it nice and warm? And again, all that's left now is for me to play a vocal in context with the rest of the mix and adjust the send level to suit. So here we go. Let's have a listen.
Take your style, but you won't see me again. 'Cause I can walk through fire and water and don't feel any pain. But you use one on life is stable, and that is not for me. You should but remember when we're living in peace together. You should remember when we're living in peace together, together.
How cool is that? I hope you've been inspired. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again next time.
But you won't see me again. 'Cause I can walk through fire and water and don't feel any pain. But you use one on life is stable, and that is not for me. You should but remember when we're living in peace together. You should